In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually enter a payroll in QuickBooks. This walkthrough is perfect when you've processed payroll outside of QuickBooks, maybe through a separate service or by hand, and you just need to record the expense in your books. Keep in mind, this method records costs only. It doesn't calculate taxes or file them. If you need tax filings, use a full payroll service or consult your accountant. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the left-hand navigation, open the Expenses section to view your list of transactions. Then create a new expense. This opens the expense form where we'll enter the details of the payroll payment. At the top, choose the payee. This should be the person or vendor who received the payroll payment. If they're not in your list yet, you can add a new payee on the fly so the transaction links correctly to your records. Next, select the payment account. Pick the account the money actually came from, like cash or your primary checking account. This ensures your bank or cash balance is reduced properly. Set the payment date to the check date or the date funds left your account and add a reference number if you use one for tracking. Now move to the category details area. In the category field, search for and select your payroll expenses account. This is the expense account that will capture your wage cost. If you maintain separate accounts for things like wages and employer taxes, you can split lines here, but for a single summary entry, choose your main payroll expense category. Add a clear description so future you and your accountant know exactly what this was for. Something like payroll for pay period ending date works well. Then enter the exact amount of the payroll expense. Double check the figure against your payroll register or bank confirmation. If you need to enter a very similar expense again, for example for another team member or another period, use the copy option at the bottom or in the Forms menu. This duplicates the transaction so you only change what's different, saving time and keeping formatting consistent. When everything looks right, select Save and Close. QuickBooks records the expense to your chosen account and updates your reports. After saving, it's a good habit to glance at your profit and loss to confirm it hit payroll expenses and reconcile this payment against your bank feed when it appears. Remember, this manual entry won't handle payroll liabilities or tax payments automatically, so be sure those are recorded separately if needed. That's it. Your manual payroll is now properly captured in QuickBooks.